Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I want to show you some war nickels. War nickels were made between 42 and 45. They were made during World War II because nickels are made of nickel, like 25% nickel. But during the war, nickel was needed for military applications. So during that time, the U.S. Mint decided to make nickels out of 35% silver and the rest made with copper and I think manganese or something like that, just to decrease its use on a critical metal for the war, for those who didn't know. And for those who do know, I'm going to need some help because I got some. I'll show you the dates. I got 142, looks like a P, a 43. Well, I got a bunch of 43s. A P. Another one. Let's see what else we got. Another P, an S. So these are the mint marks: San Francisco or Pennsylvania, or Philadelphia or Denver. So we got some 1944s. There's a P, another P, another P, and so on. There goes a D, a P, and then we have some 1945s. A D, another P, an S, an S, another S, a P, and a D. All right, so also, little fun fact for anyone who does not know, there's about 60 cents worth of silver in this 5-cent coin. So they're very cool to collect just for the silver content, but I usually just stack American Eagles and things like that. Not really into junk silver, war nickels, or anything like that. So just help me along the way. Anything you could add in the comments. Are these worth? Is it worth buying more of these? Is it proper to clean them? Are they better to leave them in this condition? What kind of key dates am I looking for if I need to hold on to one of them longer than the others? Or if there's a mint mark or anything like that. Yeah, just general information. If you know anything about war nickels, let me know. If you have a video, let me know the name of it. I'll go check it out. If you want to email me, southsidestacker@gmail.com. It'll be in the description. And yeah, thank you very much for checking out this video. I look forward to what you all have to share with me. See you all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.